lot of people ask me, do I even need an attorney? And you don't always need one. And if you don't, and come to me, I will certainly tell you if you don't. But there's some things that you need to ask yourself to make that own determination as to whether you think you need an attorney or not. If you have experienced a situation that has caused you injury, if someone has intentionally hurt you, if you find yourself, as a result of an injury, losing your ability to earn a living, or you have mounting medical expenses, that's a lot to deal with after you're hurt. And if you're experiencing some or all of those things, you may want to look into getting an attorney. Because what follows is probably going to be a number of interactions with the other side's attorney. And so right off the bat, if you're experiencing a situation like that where attorneys are already involved, you're going to want an advocate on your side to deal with them. Another thing that I like to tell clients and point out to clients, it is imperative that you start looking for legal help as soon after the injury as possible. A lot of times I have people who have suffered a horrendous injury where they clearly need an attorney, but they wait a year, sometimes 2 years before they even come to me. That's bad for a number of reasons. You have what's called a statute of limitations. You have a certain time period to bring a case. And if you wait too long, you could blow the statute. You could lose your legal right to sue someone if you wait too long. Another thing is evidence gets stale. You know, if after an accident or after that event at work happens to you where you're discriminated against, you know, at that time, close in time to that accident, that's when you're going to have the best witnesses. That's when the information is going to be fresh in your head that you can relay the facts clearly to me. The further we get away from that incident, witnesses move, people forget things, you forget things, you affect our ability to bring your case effectively. And so that's when you want to get an attorney involved right away. And then once you meet with your attorney, be as candid with them as possible. I find a lot of times that clients come in and they think it benefits them to tell me the facts that they think I want to hear. And I need to hear everything. I am your advocate. I need to know the good with the bad. Sometimes the bad isn't as bad as the client thinks it is. But if it is, I want to be prepared for that. I don't want to be in trial and find out about some bad that's happening or going on with your case. You know, I want to know about it from the beginning. When you come in, when a client comes in and speaks to me, everything is confidential. It doesn't go past the room. You're in the trust tree when you come and speak with your attorney, especially when you come speak to me. So I need to know it all, good and bad, because this is the thing. I need to know everything about your case so I can give you the most complete answer. My answer is based on the facts that you give me. And if you only give me half the facts, I can only give you half an answer. But if you give me all the facts, I can give you a good answer, an answer that could resolve the issue, anticipate any problems, and how to plan for that effectively.